This is Xavier Martin at Milan Hair Laser Removal Center in King of Prussia, PA. We just get that back. We just hydrojetted through an outside clean out. We are now doing a visual inspection. Turn off the sound. A clear video. So far, no obstructions found. There's a lot of steam in the line. They're running hot water. I also ran hot water through the jet, but yeah, everything's looking pretty copacetic. I don't see any bellies or obstructions. I believe we're about, okay, we just hit a pocket of water. That's about 75 feet out. We're already like in another store. Well, whatever this is out of our jurisdiction. I'll locate where this issue is, and we'll have to get this taken up with mall management. This is Xavier Martin with M&F Plumbing and General Contracting, signing out.